Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Microsoft Surface Go 3. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, then move to the Settings. Right here, open a display. In the system, open a display, and then you will find the brightness slider. You'll be able to adjust it like this. Now there's also option to click on this arrow, and then we'll be able to change our brightness automatically when the light changes. And next, change brightness based on content, and help save power by optimizing screen contrast and brightness for the content shown, and you can switch it to off, always, or when it's on battery only. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.